Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. Today it's about a significant Libra full moon on 12th of May in Vishakha Nakshatra at 28 degrees. The sign and the nakshatra of the full moon or any new moon indicates what event or results we can expect in those 15 days, especially whatever we have initiated or any important transit that has happened during those 15 days. And with this full moon, we have two major transits, Jupiter in Gemini and Rahu Ketu in Aquarius and Leo sign. These transits will have the flavor of this Libra full moon and Vishakha Nakshatra throughout its transit for next couple of years. The full moon is in air, movable and odd sign of Libra. With Jupiter and Rahu in air signs, we have prominent role of air element in everything that we may experience in the coming time. An air element signifies our mind, our thought process, intellect, our communication, social interaction, and some movement for sure. As air is never motionless, it is always moving. We have Mars aspecting this full moon with its fourth aspect, indicates fighting for something or some action, aggression, emotional aggression. See, Libra is a movable sign and expect faster result with everything. Libra is active sign that signifies balance, relationships, beauty, justice, and our capacity to handle any war or conflict with diplomacy and justice in our action. A full moon here brings emotions to a peak in areas related to finances, relations, partnerships, and bringing harmony, fairness, and comfort in our life. Mars is emotional and debilitated in Cancer. So expect emotional reactions and bringing emotional harmony with integrity in the situation. See, Mars is connected with Rahu Ketu closely till end of July with its conjunction with Ketu and in Leo sign. Jupiter, the lord of Vishakha, is placed 8th from this full moon and is about to change its sign in a day after this full moon. And Jupiter is at 29 degrees, close to this full moon's degree of 28, and that guarantees a major ending and a shift from here. As the lord of Nakshatra, Vishakha Nakshatra is changing its sign. Vishakha means to branch out or taking a new or different path, having some diversion, U-turn, opening some new gateways or directions in the situation. Expect more options, new opportunities, and a different path which can change the current course of action. Vishakha represents the powerful blend of strength and intensity. And that is indicated by two deities, powerful deities, Indra and Agni of this nakshatra. Indra brings leadership and victory, while Agni, the fire, adds passion and transformative energy to the situation. See, it's a Kshatriya, warrior class nakshatra. Its obsessive focus has strong willpower, ambition, and desire to achieve a set goal. This full moon is the starting point of all the modifications that we are expecting with Jupiter in Gemini and Rahu Ketu in Aquarius and Leo. Being Jupiter's star, there will be always wisdom and understanding to handle any difficult circumstances. And given a choice, choose to be clever to change your direction, leaving any ego behind. and expect immediate results with the mental form first, followed by any physical form. When Jupiter is in Gemini in the direct motion and Rahu is in its own nakshatra, this full moon is the junction of Libra and Scorpio. And Vishakha is between a diplomatic Libra and the intense Scorpio, making it a nakshatra of contrast. A balanced charm combined with deep emotional intensity. Look forward for a key turning point, and that shapes our years ahead with this full moon. Observe keenly your mental state and see where things are changing and taking a new direction from here. The fire of Agni burns away any impurities and will help us to go towards our higher understanding and completion somewhere in our life. The full moon brings emotional clarity, always helping us to come to some conclusion and wrap up any ongoing matter. Since this full moon highlights the Aries and Libra axis, we might feel the need to balance personal desires within our relationships. While there may be a bit of back and forth, as these are movable signs, Aries and Libra, so changes will be easier to manage and any challenges won't last long here. With the full moon, we can see the truth more easily and it will give us some long awaited opportunity also. Actually, this full moon will boost our confidence to act independently. But it also reminds us to consider others and to aim for a healthy interdependence, finding a proper balance between me and we, which is the main learnings of Aries and Libra connection. Let us see the impact for each individual zodiac sign and observe Aries and Libra sign in your chart and focus on bringing balance, changing our way of doing things and build a strong new system wherever there is a need. Start with Aries. For Aries, this full moon activates your relationship zone and partnerships, and it is encouraging us to reflect on the balance between independence and the emotional closeness within relationships. You may feel emotional about fairness or any imbalance in the relationship, but it is a powerful time to seek some resolutions, have some compromise or closure within it. Respond with patience and willingness to listen in your close relationships. Do avoid any reactions impulsively. Choose commitment and understanding over any control over it. Professionally, this is a very good time to consider contracts, signing contracts, and that supports your long-term vision. Taurus, the full moon activates your health and habits, prompting you to make some practical changes to your daily routines and will finally bring work and life balance. If you have been distracted, now is the time to realign with structure and focus. You may feel a strong need to improve your physical stamina and organize your workplace. Be flexible and don't resist any change if it brings healing and productivity in your life. Gemini, the full moon enhances your creativity, passion, and romantic energy. If you are feeling little unsure about your personal desires or some creative projects, there will be clarity now. You may feel inspired to express yourself boldly through art, your performances, or with your affection. It's also a very good time to reconnect with joy, especially through children or your some hobbies, some activity that fulfills your purpose. Use your creativity constructively. Instead of scattering your energy, pick one passion and commit to it 100% fully. Cancer. For you, the energy is focused on home, family, and your emotional roots, your foundations, family foundations. Use this full moon's energy to release any past emotional baggages and to create a more nurturing foundation, both internally and in your workspace. You may be inspired to change or beautify your home or resolve any family tensions. Your aim here is to strengthen your emotional roots and gain a sense of belonging with them. React calmly in family matters, especially, and focus on making your home feel peaceful now. Leo, this full moon activates your relationship with your siblings. Some short travels enhances your communication and your mindset zone will be activated. Expect powerful realization about the way you think and express yourself. You might be choosing between speaking up or staying silent, or between two mental paths like logic versus your intuition. Your words here carry more weightage. Choose diplomacy over defensiveness, and a key conversation can bring some clarity. It is a perfect time to resolve a misunderstanding, clear your voice, or start learning something new that fulfills your purpose in life. Virgo, this full moon highlights your finances, your value, and your self worth. If you have been feeling little uncertain about your money matters or your own talents, now is the time to make grounded decisions. You may experience a shift in how you value your time, your efforts, or the people around you. The full moon encourages you to choose clarity over comfort and prioritize your long term growth. A major family or financial matter may come to completion or need some balancing for you to manage. It is the time to be confident. Focus on real value and not any temporary distractions. Libra, with the full moon in your own sign, you are shining with confidence and peace of mind. You may feel a need to be seen and appreciated now. You're ready to make a personal declaration, change your appearance, or release an old version of your own self. This is a rebirth of sort, where you get to choose who you want to become. Let go of any self doubt and stand with grace and confidence. This is your time to bring powerful emotions around self expression, personal goals, and identity. Scorpio, this full moon shines light on your subconscious mind, your secret or hidden life, or your patterns. This is a deeply introspective and spiritual time for you. If you have been stuck in an emotional loops, this is your chance to break free from that. It is a powerful moment to heal from past betrayals or any inner fears of your mind. Endings and emotional closure are possible with this full moon. Pause and reflect instead of just reacting, which is the nature of Mars. Let go of any grudges or any secrecy. Be open minded. Healing begins with softness towards your own self. Do realize that. Sagittarius, your social life, friendships, and your long term dreams are in the focus with this full moon. You may realize the truth about friendships, group activity, or your own place in the community. You may feel an urge to disconnect from any superficial connections and focus on proper and right network for you. It is also the right time to review any forgotten goals or long-term vision, especially that connects with larger groups or any teamwork. Choose authenticity in friendships and social situations. Don't force connections. Flow towards people who reflect your ideals now. Capricorn, career, reputation, and public image are in the focus with this full moon. A long awaited recognition may arrive for you, or you may face a choice between two professional directions. Use this time to make decisions rooted in purpose and not under any pressure. Authority figures or mentors could guide you properly now. But in any case, keep up with work life balance and have your peace of mind. Aquarius, this full moon expands your horizons mentally, spiritually, or even geographically. Do expand your views on philosophy, travel, and higher education. You might feel pulled between conventional beliefs and a more progressive, daring perspective now. Say yes to a new learning, some advanced belief, and avoid your rigidity here. Be open to broadening your views through your own experience or some travel. Pisces, for you, this full moon triggers a sudden change of direction and personal transformation. Venus, the Lord of Libra, is right in your personality and exalted. Your hidden fears or issues in emotional family bonds or in finances may surface during this time. But expect a profound relief also. It's all about trust, both with others and in your own self. It is a powerful time to cut your emotional cords that is draining you and restore your faith. Let transformation and not fear guide your choices, and you will be better. That was all about the personal impact on all the signs. And the takeaway from this full moon is to find balance between your own needs and the needs of others, especially in your relationships or any partnerships. This is a very favorable time for finalizing contracts or any negotiation and to resolve old disagreements in a fair and peaceful manner. Have mental clarity, have open communication and intellectual compatibility within your relationships or in your business or workplace. This time is encouraging us all for a decisive action and commitment to a purpose, leaving any ego behind. Take things lightly. That's the message from air element. Let go of any distraction which is very likely. Choose with courage and walk a path that brings both harmony and a lasting fulfillment of your life. That was all about this significant full moon in Vishakha Nakshatra. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone with this full moon. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.